Hey guys, it's Adam from Emblem, and right now I'm going to show you how to buy an item on Emblem Markets. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you land on the Emblem site is connect your wallet in the top right-hand corner. I've already done that, so I'm just going to go ahead and select an item. I'm going to just play around here. We'll buy one of these Embels. So you can see here the listing is pretty standard, the way stuff lists, low to high. You guys will be familiar with all this sort of stuff. You can get into the details, descriptions, activity. So any sales that are taking place, and you can see these on OpenSea, but it'll list if it's sold on other platforms as well. So let's just grab one. So this should feel very familiar to you guys. So let's just pick out the lowest priced one. Click buy now. Click checkout. Get the pop-up from my MetaMask. Pretty standard stuff. Gas fee. You gotta love Ethereum. So confirm it. All right, it's confirmed. It's saying no longer available. That's because I bought it. Now, if I want to go view the item, I can click on my profile pic and then click my vault. And there it is right there. So hope that helps, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.